Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. We will share creative and inspiring tips for your home decor. Today's video is all about crochet baby rompers. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your crochet baby rompers. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe now so that you can find all type of new videos whatever we are uploading for you. Crocheting a baby romper is a delightful project. Here's a simple guide to get you started. Yarn. Choose a soft baby friendly yarn like cotton or an blend. You will need around 200 to 300 yards depending on size and yarn weight. Hook. Use a crochet hook that matches your yarn, typically 4 mm, G6 or 5 mm. Hook yarn well for baby garments. Nation. Stitch markers, a yarn needle for weaving ends, and a button or snap fastener. Basic steps. Gauge switch. Make a small switch to ensure your gauge matches the pattern. Gauge is crucial for the correct size. Baby. Top part. Start with a foundation chain that fits around the baby's chest. Work in rounds or rows. Depending on the pattern, use double crochet or half crochet for a soft, stretchy fabric. Increase. Gradually increase stitches to form the baby of the romper. Most patterns will specify how many increases are needed and where. Legs opinion. Separate the legs. Once the baby length reaches the desired point, separate the stitches for the leg openings. Crochet each leg is rounds or rows, depending on your pattern. Shaping. For each leg, follow instruction to shade the leg holes and work unit you reach the desired length. Joining. Crochet. Join the legs together by crocheting or sewing. This part might need to be done carefully to ensure a comfortable fit. Straps and fasteners. Straps. Crochet shoulder straps or ties. These can be simple chains or made with additional rows of stitches. Buttons or snaps. Attach buttons or snaps for easy dressing and undressing. Finishing. Edges. Add a simple border around the edge of desired. A single crochet or a picot edge can give a nice finish. Wave ends. Use a yarn needle to wave in any loose ends. Example pattern. If you need a specific pattern for more detailed instruction, let me know. Crocheting is a versatile and enjoyable craft that involves creating fabric from yarn to thread using a hooked needle. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your beloved friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Unlike knitting, which uses two needles, crocheting uses a single hook to form loops of yarn into a variety of stitches. Here's a brief overview to get you started with crocheting. Yarn comes in various weights from very fine to bulky, and fibers such as cotton, wool, acrylic or blends. The yarn weight and type will affect the texture and drape of your finished project. These include stitches markers, yarn needles or weaving in ends, and sometimes tape measures. With the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique idea. So keep watching our videos. Thank you.